What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mariah. What's happening? Today we're going to be talking about my hair. Look at my closure. This is ridiculous. There's no reason there's no reason why my wig should look like this. So that's what we're working on today. Today I'm going to show you how I get this closure from flipping back to the back. We're going to get it set and done. Let me show you right now. From this to this. Now this is my hair before I styled it, but look at the closure. It looks so much better already. So first we're actually going to start by removing the wig completely. So we just need to start all the way over. So I'm just removing my wig with just a razor blade that I get from the beauty supply store that costs you like $1. So yeah, get that on off your head, girl. We got to get that off and get your little scratch in, get your little scratch. Now we're going to go ahead and use my wig cap. They're 99 cents at the beauty supply store. You get 2 in a pack. So you're just going to place that over your braids. And then we're going to get started. I'm actually going to go ahead and sew where my closure would lay on my head. So I'm just going to sew around the perimeter because I don't want the entire cap to be on my head. So we're going to use needle and thread just to go around, make a U shape on the top of your head. And we're just going to sew that one piece down. So we're just focusing on this small area on my head. So now I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Gots to Be Glue freeze spray. And I'm going to use a little of the styling gel just to make sure that the front section of my hair is glued down to my head. So once I do that, I am going to dry it. I am going to use my space heater because I left my blow dryer. So don't judge me. Just got to be ratchet for a little bit, okay? Alright, now I'm going to go in with a little makeup. I am going to use the Studio Fix by MAC pressed powder. I'm going to go ahead and use that just to make that part look more realistic, closer to my skin tone or my scalp color. And now I'm going to go ahead and remove all of the extra cap that I have that's not in that small section that we are like focusing on. So just make sure you remove the rest of the cap. So now we're just going to go ahead and place our wig on our head. And once we get that wig on, we're going to go ahead and start sewing it down. So when sewing my hair down, I do work in sections. So I'm going to go ahead and sew the side perimeter down on each side. And then I'll begin to sew my closure down. So here you'll just see me sewing down the perimeter. So now that I've sewn the perimeter of my wig down, actually I don't sew the back of my wig down, and that's just a preference thing. It's up to you. But now that I've sewn my perimeter down, I'm going to go ahead and start to sew down my closure. So we don't have any problems. We're not having our wig slip back, none of that, okay? So we're going to go ahead and we're going to sew our closure down, and this is how I do it. I actually just part a piece of hair and I just make sure to sew straight across on that little part that I made. So now I'm just going to go ahead and do it to the other side. And now that I'm editing this video, I'm looking at my wig. And I have a little wig erosion, baby. What is wig erosion? That's when that closure, that frontal, it starts shedding, baby. And your part just getting wider and wider. So as you can see, my part is getting kind of wide. So don't judge me, okay? But just keep on watching, guys. So now I'm just going to go ahead and create some baby hair. And now I'm just going to go ahead and wet the wig down, just making sure that I get the entire wig down. And once I have the entire wig damp, I'm going to go ahead and use this mousse that I have. And I'm going to go ahead and just run that through my hair with my fingers. And once I've done all that, I want to go ahead and put some shine and moisture back into my hair so when it dries, it doesn't look all dull and crusty. Alright, y'all, that's all I have for this video. I hope y'all go ahead and comment, like, subscribe. But wait a minute, let's not forget where we came from. From this, baby, to this. Okay, so go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.